expect me to come home tonight? Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up.
Hey girl, hey, it's Simone Love coming at you with yet again another video. And on today's video, we went ahead and ordered some HelloFresh. So this is pretty much what comes directly in the box. They have everything super nicely packaged. It is definitely cold in here. Some of the food was actually still frozen. So it is definitely going to get to your house in one piece. I went ahead and I ordered the 5 plan. These are some of the pieces that I went ahead and decided to try. I got them for 2 people, but it can also go up to a family of 4 if you like, and you can add additionals if you want to. It's usually just me and my brother here, and we're gonna go ahead and go with the ravioli for tonight. They have everything mapped out for you and step by step. It's very easy to navigate. Everything came out pretty nice, so of course stick through the rest of the video and let me know what you guys think. If you guys decide to try it, let me know which ones that you decided to get. And yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. I also said to my brother, I guarantee they're gonna say something about my mop and my broom being right off the side. It's actually a nice amount of space right there, so it's not on my stove, number 1, and number 2, I honestly don't have any additional storage for it to go, so it's gonna go right there. Mind your business. And yeah, continue the video. So they give you a garlic clove for you to use with the meal. However, I have my own minced garlic that's already done for me, so I went ahead and did that. It also tells you to use some of the water that you used for the ravioli to create the sauce. So just letting you guys know what I did there. I guess this was the olive oil. Well, I already had that. So. What is this? No, it's not. I really don't know what this is for. I don't know. I don't know what this is for, so. We're just gonna put this over here. I mean, it tastes alright, but I really don't know what it is. I think I was supposed to put that on the I think I was supposed to do that on nose. Whatever. Okay. this go in here. We finna add this in here. Cause that gives a little flavor. And it look brown. Oh yeah. No. Yeah, this is what it is. Stop concentrating. Yep, that's what it is. It's stop concentrate, guys. Why don't they say that instead of just veggie? Honestly, lemon is my favorite thing to cook with. Like, seriously, lemon is delicious.
It's still hot though.
We are the only people eating this food. This is my brother and me. We are the only people eating this food. So before anybody come in here talking about, oh, she put her fingers and her nails in here, we the only people here. Like, we've been eating off each other's things. How old are you? 21, 22?
21.
So mind the business. And Melrose just did her finger and anything we eating anyway. You know, children do those things. It says generously seasoned with salt and pepper. We're gonna taste this. Well, give me a plastic for it. We're gonna add a little bit more garlic. We need to season this because I grew up in an ethnic household, so seasoning is a lot for me. And I'm sure it's a lot for my brother too. I don't like no unseasoned food. We're gonna add some pepper. We're gonna add some lemon pepper. Because even though this is, you know, a pre-prepared service, which I honestly feel is good if you know, you just don't have these things at home, it's great. However, even if I'm going to a restaurant, I want my food seasoned. Like, I be feeling like be loved sometimes, so I be wanting to have my seasoning in my purse. That's exactly this honestly tastes like scampi. We finna use some parsley. The parsley just gives it a little, you know, just a smidget of Calorie. I like Creole seasoning, but my brother doesn't do a lot of spice no more. So flavor this according to your taste buds. Again, not mine, because this is my food. But again, I think this is a good thing for like people who you know, don't have time to go to the grocery store all the time. So, if y'all, you know, want to do this, I'll take it. I'm really good service. I've tried their tacos already, and they were really good. It was the pulled pork taco. I have a video on that as well. Not too sure if I'm gonna to upload that one before or after this. Either way, make sure. Oh, this one I stabbed this one and it's a little open. It's okay. But yeah, just make sure that you know you guys go and check it out. Like I said, I think it's a good service. Got most of your. Well, they give you all of the materials for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Which is great. You literally get all of this delivered to your door. You do not have to go to the store, and again, I've already had most of these materials, like of course the seasonings and garlic in my refrigerator. If you want more lemon, add to your expense. I also have more Parmesan in my refrigerator, but I'm not gonna add that. But I'm probably gonna add some more lemon because we don't like lemon. We don't like lemon to the food. Want some lemon water? My sister is so bougie. But I wonder who she gets it from. My dad told me that. I said, first of all, sir, it's your fault. Guys, try to clean as you go, as you're cooking. I usually clean as I go. My countertop looks ridiculous right now, but obviously I have to read instructions, and that's not something that I'm used to doing. So if I knew how to make this already, my counter would not look how it's looking. But this is the finished result, guys. It honestly looks really, really, really good. And let's try it out. This is actually really good, y'all. I'm definitely gonna get this in my hand. This kind of reminds me of like almost like an Olive Garden. This is really good. So if you guys like pasta, you like ravioli, definitely try this one out. So stay tuned for another one of my videos because I'm going to show you guys every HelloFresh that I got in this box and how it is prepared. So until next time, bye.